bitch. You're my soulmate. Thank you.
Put the money on it. Put the money on it.
Hello and welcome back. Let's go ahead and just jump right into this Maddy makeup look. I'm going to start by applying some Hoola bronzer by Benefit right into my crease, just a light wash of color. I found the makeup artist that created this look on Instagram, and I saw that she really didn't do much on the eyelids. She just focused on the eyeliner, so I just decided to apply a little bit of this light brown natural color, give me a little more defined crease. And then I went ahead and lined my waterline with some soft ochre paint pot by MAC. This really opens up the eyes, and I also use this to prime my eyes beforehand. And then after, I'm gonna go ahead and use that same shadow underneath my waterline to also define my eye, just lightly, not too much. For the eyeliner, I saw that she used a dark blue eyeliner. I don't have one, so I created one by mixing some of my Black Track fluid line by MAC with some of this blue cream paint by Makeup Forever, and I just mixed the two together and used that as my eyeliner. I'm going to be creating a really thick eyeliner, so I'm starting from the middle of my eye and dragging the line out towards the end of my brow, and I'm going all the way in towards my tear duct and lining that part too, and then dragging another line from the end of my eye, connecting up with that line, still dragging it out towards the end of my brow, and then just filling it all in. And you want to make sure to not open your eyes all the way before setting this eyeliner. If not, it can transfer. I learned the hard way. And to set the cream, I applied some MAC bluish purple loose pigment and just tapped it right on. You want to pack it on so that your cream does not smudge or move around anywhere. And then I just did the other side off camera. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. This is the MAC in Extreme Dimension waterproof formula. I'm just applying a light coat. And then I applied some Wispies by Ardell with a couple of individuals on top. And I placed them right in the center, then just drag them to the outer corner, to the inner corner until I get them right where I want them, and then I secure them with my tweezers and then just kind of push them up. And once my lashes are on and secured, I started applying the rhinestones. So I found these rhinestones at Michael's for about $2, and they have kind of like an iridescent look to them. And I just picked each stone up one by one, starting with small stones, then creating a gradient with a couple bigger stones, and then ending with 2 more small stones. I dip each stone individually in a little bit of the clear duo glue, and then just apply it right on top of the eyeliner and press it down with my tweezers to make sure they are secured and gripped onto my eye. So you can see that I used 2 small stones, 3 big stones, and then 2 more small stones. applied the other eye off camera. And then I finished off the eye look with some more mascara. I applied it on the bottom lashes and then a little bit on the top lashes to blend in my falsies. And that's it for the eyes. And for my lips, I used Spice Lip Liner by MAC, and I just outlined my lips first and then filled them in after, just coloring them all in so the color is even. I saw that she used a glitter or a sparkly gloss, so since I don't really have a glittery gloss, I just created one. So first I applied some MAC lip gloss in the shade Lust all over my lips, and then I took some loose MAC glitter. It's a really fine glitter, and I just pressed it right on top with my finger. And then I just dabbed my lips together so that it distributed evenly. And that concludes the look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video of me recreating Maddy's makeup. If you haven't already checked out Euphoria, you definitely should. There are a lot of really cool makeup ideas on there, and it left me really inspired. And the show is super good too and intense. So check it out. And yeah, thank you again for watching. Leave me some love down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I will see you next time.
Like me, but I just wanted to say congratulations.
Maddy, get out of here.
What in God's name is your problem, you cunt?